What's good, yo? It's your boy Heavy Crypto back again with a video, and I just want to give updates on our positions right now. As you can see, Bitcoin position is up like 85% in profit, and of course Ethereum position is up like 74% in profit. And you already know when exactly I entered these trades, right here when we got the sell signal on our favorite indicator. So taking a look at Ethereum price, as you can see on 4-hour time frame, it shows that we have got a buy signal right here, but I'm not gonna exit these positions, this position of Ethereum, because as you can see right here on weekly, we still have a sell signal right here. So this sell signal right here is very, very strong, and we should expect the price of Ethereum to go back to these kind of levels right here, and our position is gonna be going insane, as you can see. So let's take a look at Ethereum and where we entered at. As you can see, we entered this position exactly at the price of for 4,175, and currently the price of Ethereum is sitting at 3,195 right here, as you can see. So there's a high chance of the price of Ethereum to go a little bit lower from this point onwards. That's why I'm still in this position. Talking about Bitcoin right here, you can see that we entered at the position of 112,000, as you can see, and currently Bitcoin is sitting at right here 109,000, right? So you also have a sell signal right here, is very, very strong, and the price keeps on dropping, as you can see. So if we do something like this, maybe what if Bitcoin is just moving within this trend line, right? Something like this. A lot of traders can say this might be true or is not true, but what if this thing is going to happen and come to pass, and see the price of Bitcoin continue going lower to the price until the price of 95,000, as you can see. So I'm just waiting for the buy signal to come on weekly so that I can close all these positions. You know what I mean? So if you see any any buy signal coming up around these levels right here, it's gonna be a good time to close these positions and then enter a new one. You know what I mean? So for those who are wondering what indicator am I using, I'm using Signal Strike. The link to this indicator is gonna be in the description below. So this is my name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to give you updates on these two trades that I'm in right now. This is a challenge of turning 20,000 USD to 100 USD. You know what I mean? So as you can see, currently we're sitting at 37,777 USD, and we're almost there until we get there. You know what I mean? So we're gonna be pushing hard every day until we hit 100K, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do. We're gonna give away and stuff like that. And make sure to stick around to the channel and subscribe, guys, and like this video so that we can reach out to new people and stuff like that. And the link to Bluefin is going to be in the description below, one of the best crypto exchanges, you know what I mean? And he's very, very low in transaction fees and stuff like that. So therefore, guys, I'll see you in the video. Love and peace, and cheers, guys.